Hi, my name is Carlos, and I am the Ygrene representative at FHIA. My job is to work with product specialists and homeowners to make the right decisions when it comes to their financing choice. Ygrene is the provider and administrator of the PACE program. Ygrene focuses on making our communities more energy efficient and more hurricane protected. Our program is not based on credit or based on income. It's based on equity on your property and good payment history. Ygrene is a no out-of-pocket program, provides a very quick approval. We don't pay the contractor until the very end of the project. While paying back Ygrene through property taxes, you may have some tax deductibility advantages. It also does not hold back your debt-to-income ratio, as the program is not based on credit. If you're considering a home improvement project, then Ygrene might be able to help. Ygrene covers two major categories: energy efficiency and hurricane protection. On energy efficiency, we cover air conditioning, backup generators, batteries, and solar panels, solar arrays. We also cover, on the impact side, hurricane protected roofing, impact windows, and shutters as well. For further information about how to do a Ygrene project, feel free to reach out to FHIA. Our project specialists are highly trained and highly knowledgeable in our program, and they should be able to explain to you how our program works from A to Z. For more information, visit FHIARemodeling.com.